Today we're taking a look at the Dreametech L10 Pro Robot and T20 Cordless Vacuum, and that's coming up right after this. Before we get started though, let me know in the comments if you currently use a robot vacuum cleaner, and if you haven't already, then hit subscribe now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So before we get started, full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Dreametech and they've sent me these vacuums for free to review for you guys. But first up, we've got the T20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner that allows you to just grab it and go without having to worry about plugging in any wires. It's a fairly lightweight cordless vacuum that does a good job at cleaning your home, and it's got a battery that will last up to 70 minutes thanks to its auto detection technology. In the packaging, we first get the smart adaptive head brush. This of course is the main head we'll use for cleaning, and it works well on hard floor as well as carpet. We get a mini motorized brush, and I found that this works well for things like stairs or the sofa. We get the charging wall mount to easily store and charge the vacuum in the cupboard, and then next up we've got the manuals. Next up we've got the main body of the vacuum, and this features all of the controls including a colored screen and the trigger for activation. Next up we've got the extension rod, an extension hose, the crevice nozzle, the 2-in-1 brush head and the charging cable. The Dreametech T20 has performed much better than my previous corded vacuum, and of course it's been much easier to use thanks to having no wires. It's powered by a 3000 mAh battery, and it provides a runtime of up to 70 minutes, and it's got a rated power of 450 watts. It uses the DreamSpace 4.0 high-speed motor, and it's got 150 air watts of suction. Using this vacuum couldn't be any easier thanks to its colored display and a simple 2 navigation button system. The bottom button cycles between eco, medium and turbo suction, and of course turbo provides the full suction capabilities, but it also uses more battery. When we connect the smart adaptive head brush, medium then changes to auto, and this will automatically change the suction based on the floor surface you're cleaning. So if you're cleaning hard flooring, it's going to be a lot more economic as less suction is required, and if you move onto carpet, it's going to ramp up the suction automatically. We can lock in our selection using the top lock button, and this can also be held down for resetting the filter. The filters are also easily removable for routine maintenance and cleaning. We can plug the charger directly into the vacuum itself, or it can also be charged via the wall mount, and it's going to charge to 100% within 4 hours. Overall, it's been a great vacuum to use. It's incredibly convenient with plenty of suction, whether it be on hard flooring or thick carpet. The adaptive brush head has been great for cleaning dust, dirt, food and any other mess on the floor. With the other attachment, it means whatever you need to clean, you can do it easily, and overall I've been very impressed with this vacuum. For those that want someone else to do the cleaning, we've also got the Dreametech L10 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. First up, we'll open the box, and as you can see, we've got a quick start guide, and then we then have the mop head. Next in the box, we've got the power cable, the docking station, the robot vacuum cleaner itself, and then a brush which fits onto the bottom of the robot. The L10 Pro is an impressive robot vacuum cleaner that uses its built-in LiDAR scanner to build a 3D environment map, and this allows it to avoid obstacles and clean much more efficiently. It can plan up to 8 meters ahead, which allows it to map better cleaning paths and clean much more efficiently than some of the other robot vacuums out there. It can easily navigate up small raised bumps, and it features edge detections to stop it falling from height, and thanks to all the sensors, it will avoid obstacles instead of crashing into them. It's got 4000 PA of suction, and it's got a surprisingly quiet working noise of just 65 dBA. It also features comb teeth in the brush module, and this will help untangle hair itself, but the brush can easily be removed if required. The L10 Pro can also mop behind it when you attach the mop head, and you can choose between low, medium or high water flow. The L10 Pro is controlled via the Mi Home app, and it's incredibly easy to set up and use. You just click add new device and the L10 Pro will be detected, and then on the first clean it's going to map out your house and then assign each room with a letter. The map is customizable, and you can set and name your rooms accordingly, and you can also set no-go zones for the areas that you don't want it to be, and it even supports multi-floor maps for those of you that do want to use it for upstairs as well as downstairs. We can set the cleaning mode from a variety variety of different levels, and we've got quiet, standard, strong and turbo. With my use, I've left it on standard and it has been able to clean everything perfectly. It cleans my whole downstairs and uses about 25% battery, so I could happily change this to turbo without any problems. In the settings, we've also got carpet boost, and this means that the robot will automatically switch to turbo when it's on carpets, and then it will change back to the normal setting when it gets onto hard floor. You can turn 3D obstacle avoidance on and off, adjust its identification sensitivity, and there's also a child lock for those of you that need it. We can set cleaning schedules for those of you that want to do scheduled daily cleaning, and we can even look at the previous cleaning history. To set it to clean, we can simply press the play button on the app, and we've also got the option to set just one or a few rooms to clean, and if we've just made a mess in a specific area and want the robot to come and clean it, we've also got the zone clean. In the zone cleaning mode, we can simply set the cleaning area with the square on the map, and then when we press play, the robot will come and clean this area only. Thanks to the Mi Home app, it can be fully automated as well as being integrated with a voice assistant such as Alexa, and the Mi Home app is pretty simple and intuitive to use. The L10 Pro has done a brilliant job cleaning my home. Its obstacle avoidance system means it's not moving my furniture around or chewing up wires like my previous robot, and it also gets right into the edges and cleans the more difficult to reach areas. It does a good job at moving up rugs, and surprisingly it was even able to climb over the base of my coffee table and clean in the middle of that. Both of these vacuum cleaners have proved to be better than my current ones, so I will be using both of them daily going forward. For those of you that do want to take a look, I've placed the links to both of them down in the description below. Now, the Dreametech L10 Pro Robot Vacuum is currently on their website for $489.99, and then the T20 Cordless Vacuum is $389.99. Of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions, then just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.